Hey guys, so last time that I was playing the ATS and my truck completely broke down because it suffered quite a bit of damage. So I'm gonna go to the option and I'm gonna try to see can I cancel the job. Then go back and click on abandon. Where it says you cannot cancel your first job. Nobody will respect you after that. Alright, so I'm back into the driver here, and there's a mini map, and you can press the key to see your route. And let's see here. I'm gonna I got I got the truck behind me pressing, and it tell me that the beeping at me say, dude, you're blocking the way. So let's see here. Oh, there's a message say view service. So you see my truck suffered damage 64%, cargo 60%, and I'm just gonna try to get it fixed. Assistant service can take your truck to Santa Cruz, cost $1,080. Alright, so just gonna bring me there, because at this point I'm not sure what to do anymore. Gotta get the truck fixed. So then they wanna repair, press enter. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna press enter. Look like I'm at the repair center there, and it's quite dark. Okay, truck service, truck maintenance, repair. Great driver, always keep vehicle. And then they say repair covered by your employee. Great, because I only have $1,220. Wow, look at that. I have to pay $6,314 to do a repair, and the damage is over 52,000. All right, so that's done. I finished the repair. I tried to click the repair a few times because I wasn't understanding the game, how it works there, but it looked like it's done. So I'm out of it, and I'm gonna be back in the game, and hopefully the truck is drivable. It's quite late at night there, and there's nobody. I'm not sure what I'm trying to do here. Maybe okay. At least the car, the truck started. At least that one. And I'm just gonna. Not sure what I'm doing. I'm trying to maybe drive into this box there. Not sure why, but didn't really have an understanding of it. But okay. Truck dealer is closed. Open is Monday to Saturday. Alright, so I guess it's too late now. Alright guys, so that's the video. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment below. Have you played American Truck Simulator yet? If you like this video, click a like, subscribe. You're not subscribed yet. I'll see you next video. Bye.